Hi, my name is Esteban, and today I will be showing you how to install the drivers for your NET-DYN dual band N600 adapter. The first step is connecting your adapter to your PC. It might happen that the drivers install automatically. If that's the case, you do not need to continue watching this video. But for the rest of us, you will have to insert the mini CD that is included with your adapter. A lot of times a window like this will show up. Here you will only have to click open folder to view files. If your settings are set for your window to not open, you will have to go to start, hit your computer, and here on the DVD drive or whichever drive you have in your PC, double click, and here you have the folders inside the CD. So for us, we will click on Windows and double click on Setup. Here you have a message from saying that it's asking you if you want to install the driver from MediaTek Inc. You click yes. MediaTek Inc. is the company that does our drivers for us, our chipsets and drivers. So here you click on I accept the terms of the license, next. Okay, so now you have two options. You can install the driver and the MediaTek WLAN utility, or install the drivers only. I personally suggest, and all of us here at NET-DYN suggest, for you to install the drivers only. If you install the drivers only, you will only have to work with the utility in Windows. But for purposes of this tutorial, I will show you how to install and work with the MediaTek WLAN utility, because it is a little more complicated and more uncommon for the usual Windows 7 user. So here you simply choose whichever you want to install. You click next and click on install. Okay, so now the installation is finished and you click on finish. So like I said earlier, if you installed only the drivers, you will go to your regular Windows Wi-Fi connection down here, the bars, and click on your Wi-Fi network. Here you will have a list. Click connect and type in your password. If you did install the WLAN utility like I did, you will click on this icon right here. It's got a few bars and a red X. That is because it is not connected. So we double click and this window will open. Here we will click on the magnifying glass called Available Networks, and we will find our network in here. So this is my network. We double click it. We click the continue arrow, the next green arrow. Here we type in our password. Then we click continue as well. And we are online. Here you will see there is a green check mark next to the Wi-Fi that I'm using. Here we can exit out of this and the utility will be running at the bottom. So another thing that may happen if you do not install the utility is your internal Wi-Fi card might continue to work if you have a laptop or if you have a desktop with an internal Wi-Fi card installed. If you bought the adapter because you want to switch to the dual band capability or you want stronger Wi-Fi, you might have to uninstall or disable, let's say, not really uninstall, but disable the internal card. So to do that, you will go to Start and click on Control Panel. Here you will find Device Manager here. You click it. Here you have a list of all your devices. Under Network Adapters, you will find the network adapters installed. The adapter that we just installed in NET-DYN is this one, 802.11n USB wireless LAN card. Your internal card might have a different name. It all depends on your computer, which card you're using. So you might have to do some research to find out which one it is. In my case, it is this one right here, Intel R Centrino R Advanced N6205. I simply right click and disable. Don't uninstall it, just disable it. Okay, there you go, and that's it. You should be using your adapter for the internet. And the reason I say not to uninstall it is because for whatever reason you might want to have it there and you don't have to reinstall the drivers later on. It's a little more complicated. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any questions, any problems with this, you can always contact our customer service in our support. Our support email is support@netdynwifi.com. Our friendly staff at technical support will help you out, will answer any concern you may have, anything that is not covered in the video or any error that you may have, just let us know. We will answer your concerns and help you out as much as we can. So thank you very much for being a loyal customer of NET-DYN, and I'll see you in the next video.